Hey guys, Tech here again. I've been looking around. I'm trying to get you guys deals on computers to bring you something of value. This is sweeping YouTube right now. Sweeping YouTube. So what I mean by that is people are trying to get into computer gaming at a cheap level. And what we're trying to do is a lot of people don't have the patience or the know-how to build a computer. So what I've been scouring the internet for these budget deals and budget builds and see what I can do. And I found this amazing computer. It's a Dell Optiplex 9020, and it's got an i5 4570s. It comes with 16 gigs of RAM, 128 gig SSD for the Windows, a 1 terabyte hard drive, Windows 10 Pro, and it's only $218. $218. That's amazing. I can't show you the build exactly, but what I can tell you is what to look for. I'm gonna put this down in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, everything you can do. We're gonna try to put up more of these videos as well. And obviously I don't have it on hand, but I will get one and show you what to do to upgrade it. You can also stream on this PC. You can also game on this PC. If you don't want to stream, don't worry about it. Just game. It's perfect. You just got to pick yourself up a nice video card, and I'll run through some video card options for you that are actually really good and that I would recommend personally to buy. That'll let you play everything from Valorant, CSGO, League of Legends, Call of Duty, Warzone. You can play any of the new indie games, any of the old games. You want to play something that you haven't played at a decent level. If you want to dip into like GTA 5, Assassin's Creed, etc., etc., etc. This will play everything, and it's just above where the console's at for the next generation is. So if you look at the Xbox One X, which is like $299, this is going to be about $360, anywhere between the $350, $370 range at most, depending on what graphics card you go with. The graphics card is all you, depending on what deal you want. If you want to buy new, you want to buy used, I recommend eBay right now because this is where I found everything. So we'll take a look at this build right now. So as you can see here, it's $218. I highlighted that here. They have more than 55 sold. There's more than 10 available. It's from a reputable site here. They have a 99.5% positivity rate. It comes with free shipping. That's why I picked this one out for you guys. It's a simple build. It's like an office computer that they had. It might be dusty inside. I don't know if they cleaned it out or anything like that. Just get yourself some canned air, puff, get rid of all the stuff. Do that outside and make sure you're good. So we scroll down, and we want to make sure that everything's legit. So it has the 4th gen i5. That is perfect. Most of the builds have like the 2nd gen or the 3rd gen. The 4th gen is when everything started shining for Intel, and it's got everything you need. It's up to 3.8 gigahertz. Like I told you, the 16 gigs of RAM is huge. That's what you need. It's DDR3. It's a little bit slower because that's, you know, where it was at the time, but don't worry about it. Do not fret. This will kill games. You can upgrade this as you see fit. This will be a good starting computer, and then as you get further into your gaming, you can also upgrade it. I wouldn't upgrade this PC. I'd personally buy a different one and upgrade that one. We can go into those builds later, but this is where I would start. And then if you do want to stream, this will always be a good streaming PC. You just need to upgrade the graphics card, sell the old one that you have in there, recoup some cash, and then go ahead and buy like a 1660 Ti, and then this will just cover your dual PC setup that everybody else has. So this is what I recommend. This is what it looks like. It's actually great, and I enjoy it. So now you go over here. I chose the 1060. 1060 is actually pretty good. This is the mini graphics card. It's a little bit smaller. I don't know what the power, but this will run all the games. You can also go with a GTX 980, which is was the top of the line in the 900 series. Obviously we have the 1000, now we have the 2000s. Don't worry about it. You can do this, or you can just get any graphics card you want that's anything within like the 1660 Ti, Super, etc. If you want to spend a little bit extra to have a graphics card that you can go into another PC down the road, do that. But a 980 is still a little bit more because it's still great, but I would personally stay at the 1060 range. You can get them like this one here. This is perfect. It's used $94, but it's on a bidding system, so it's probably going to go up. I wouldn't spend no more than $150 for this card. You can find it cheaper. That's where I would stick. If you want to get a little bit better, I would go with the 1660, and then from there we will you'll see the price jump like 250 for a new one. I would spend no more than about 220 for a used one. Make sure, and then this has the N bank, so if you actually use the 1660, you can actually stream and game at the same time and you won't have a problem. You might just have to lower the graphics quality. We're going to talk about that in another video and explain how to optimize your single PC for streaming. But right now we're focusing on this, purchasing this gaming PC, and I think this will meet your needs. I'm actually looking to purchase this. I'm going to purchase this eventually, and then we'll run through that. But I'm thinking about it in the next week or so if it's still up here. That's why I want to get this video out to you guys so you can enjoy it. You're looking about it, like I said, 360, 370, perfect computer. Enjoy it. Thank you for everything. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Check me out on twitch.tv/technicalx every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'll see you in the next video.